Welcome back, coders, and in this video we will see how to take two integers from user and perform certain operations like subtraction, multiplication, sum and division, and print the result of all these on the console window in Kotlin language. So let's start. I'll open your IntelliJ IDE and make a new project and make a new file in which you have to write your Kotlin program. So I have created it earlier. So first of all, I will write boilerplate code for Kotlin language, which is fun main and then parenthesis, which is a main function, and then we make the main body of this main function by putting curly braces. Okay, so in the body of main function you have to write your program. So as you know, we have to take two variables from user. So you have to write, first you have to declare two variables. Okay, so I will declare it as variable num1 is equal to 0 because I will declare it and I will initialize it with 0 value. Okay, you can initialize it with any value. Okay, so also we declare variable 2 and gives it name num2, and also we initialize it with 0. Now we have to pass a message to user that enter number 1 or enter the integer 1. Okay, so we use println function, and then in this function we write enter number 1. Okay, so this will print on the console window, and then user enter the number. So we have to set that number. For this purpose we use num1 because our variable is num1, and this variable we will store the data given by the user, and we write num1 equals to read ln and then parenthesis, and then we have to put dot, and to convert the string into integer we use toInt function. Okay, toInt. So this will take integer from the user. Samely you can write println and pass the message to user that enter the number 2. Okay, and in this way user will enter number 2, and you have to save it by entering num2 is equal to read ln and then parenthesis and then dot to int. Okay, so it will take two integers from user. After that you have to print sum, subtraction, multiplication and division result on the console window. You have to make another variable of sum. Okay, variable sum is equal to, you have to sum both of the numbers, so you have to write num1 and plus num2. Okay, so this variable will store the result of sum. Okay, if we have to print it on the screen, we write print ln, and then in the double quotes we can write sum is equal to $sum. Okay, because $sum is variable which have data. If we run this file, then you can see on the console window that it will on the console window it will print enter number 1. As we enter the number 1, then it takes to the next line and print enter number 2. Then we have to write number 2, and it will save in num2 and then sum both numbers and store it. As you can see, enter number 1. So we have to write number 1. For example, I can give it first number 10 and then second number 5. So as you can see, sum is equal to 15. So it actually, this program adds the sum of num1 and num2. Another way and shortcut way is you can directly write println, and in the double quotes you can write sum is equal to $, and you have to directly sum in print function. Okay, so after that you have to put curly braces, and in the curly braces you have to perform operations num1 and plus num2. Okay, so it gives the same result as given by the program earlier. So you can see. Okay, firstly I can give number 10, and then I can enter the second number like 2. So you can see sum is equal to 15. It does the same work as the program does earlier. Okay, so in the same way you can subtract, multiply and divide each number. Okay, for example, I will copy this and Alt Shift N, and I can actually put it here. So as I have used the println function for the sum, I can also subtract this function. Okay, here I will put minus symbol, in this I will put asterisk symbol for multiply, and in this I can put forward slash for divide. I can write here subtraction. In the next I can write multiplication, and in the fourth section I can write division, so you can see result for each. So now I can run this file and you can see the result. Here is actually some error. Okay, run it again. But there is an error, so put double quotes and then bracket. Now you can see on the console window that it first demand enter number 1, then enter number 2, and then it will print the sum result, subtraction result, multiplication and division result. So as you can see on the console window, it demands enter number 1. So we first write 10, in the next number we give 5. So you can see sum is equal to 15, subtraction is equal to 10, minus 5 is equal to 5, subtraction 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 50, and 10 divided by 5, this result is actually 2. So this is the program how to take two numbers from user and then print sum result, subtraction, multiplication and division result. Hope so this video helpful for you. If you like this video, if you have learned any new concept from this video, then make sure to like and subscribe if you want to become a coder.